I'd probably take him.
Play that shit up, TNT.
Hey guys, it's Shantae Ree. I'm here with a quick tutorial on how to do this half up, half down, super cute pony, and you won't have to struggle with pins or rubber bands or scrunchies or anything like that. So stay tuned to see how I achieve this look. So here I'm actually just making sure that I have all of the hair pulled nice and taut and tight that I want to use for the pony. I try not to go beyond the ear because I want it like a, small and a nice size. So I just started I normally go from the back and take a few pieces and then start wrapping it around to start the pony after I've pulled all the hair up that I want to use. If you know how to do a barrel twist, that's very helpful because that's pretty much the method that I'm using to create this pony. And except for the fact that I don't go all the way down, as soon as I get it as high as I want, then I'll go ahead and end it. So once I'm at the point where I want to stop, hopefully this makes sense for everybody, but I basically take that last little piece where I stopped at and make sure that it's more towards the back of the ponytail, and then I tuck it underneath itself and pull so that it kind of, I wouldn't say makes a knot, but it keeps the ponytail secure. And that little short piece, if it ends up like how my hair is, I actually don't mind it because it also helps to keep the ponytail kind of upward, keep it sitting up instead of falling down to the side or to the back. So that concludes this tutorial. Thank you guys for watching, and please keep up with me on all my other social medias.